If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough.
We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them.
Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Weakness of attitude becomes weakness of character. Coincidence is God's way of remaining anonymous. The hardest thing to understand in the world is the income tax. Only two things are infinite, the universe and human stupidity, and I'm not sure about the former. Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere. Strive not to be a success, but rather to be a value. No problem can be solved from the same level of consciousness that created it. The only source of knowledge is experience. Reality is merely an illusion, albeit a very persistent one. Peace cannot be kept by force, it can only be achieved by understanding. The world is a dangerous place to live, not because of the people who are evil, but because of the people who don't do anything about it. Common sense is the collection of prejudices acquired by age 18. Whoever is careless with the truth in small matters cannot be trusted with important matters. Great spirits have always encountered violent opposition from mediocre minds. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge but imagination. Education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learned in school. I live in that solitude which is painful in youth, but delicious in the years of maturity. Everything should be made as simple as possible, but not simpler. All that is valuable in human society depends upon the opportunity for development accorded the individual. Imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's coming attractions. Before God we are all equally wise, and equally foolish. Intellectuals solve problems, geniuses prevent them. Pure mathematics is, in its way, the poetry of logical ideas. The distinction between the past, present, and future is only a stubbornly persistent illusion. Any man who can drive safely while kissing a pretty girl is simply not giving the kiss the attention it deserves. If people are good only because they fear punishment, and hope for reward, then we are a sorry lot indeed. In matters of truth and justice, there is no difference between large and small problems, for issues concerning the treatment of people are all the same.